Today I'm going to show you how to make Spam Musubi in 3 ways. Let's get started! Let's make our sauce. It's very simple. Let's combine 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and mix this well. And set this aside. Next, let's work on the Spam. Let's open this. Simply tap it. There you go. Ooh! And let's slice this. This is perfect size, so I'm going to cut it into 8. I'm already hungry, guys. Pan fry the Spam. And let's flip the Spam. Lower the heat and let's add the sauce. And flip the other side so both sides are absorbing the sauce. Let the Spam soak up all the deliciousness from the sugar and the soy sauce. Let's turn up the heat. This is perfect. Oh, wow. And now let's cut the nori sheets. I am very hungry, guys. Let's start assembling our musubi. I have this musubi molder. I got this from Amazon. Or if you don't have it, you can always use the Spam can to mold the musubi. I'll show you how to do it later. Put 3 tablespoons of rice in the molder. And the Spam. Let's put in the Spam inside. Let's press this down. Ooh. Nice. And pull this up. There you go. Pull up. Wow, look at that. And lift this thing. There you go. And let's rub this. It's in the middle. And then just rub it. Here's my first musubi, guys. And I'll show you one more way of doing it. Okay. 3 tablespoons of rice. Ta-da! Fried egg. Okay, let's put 1 slice of fried egg, and of course the Spam, and just press it down. Press it down gently. Woo! This is the best, very yummy finger food. Very delicious. And let's take this off. And ta-da! Wow! Wrap it up. It around, and ta-da! Here is your egg and Spam musubi. And one more way is with a special ingredient: 3 tablespoons of rice, egg, and cheese. Just fold it. Wow, the Spam. Oh my gosh. And just press this. And there you go. Lift. And the nori sheet. Wrap it around. Ooh, wow. Lift and then just seal it. Oh my god, look at this. Call this the ultimate musubi. And if you don't have the molder, you can use the Spam can. Just rinse it
and lay the cling wrap inside.
Just push it in. Okay. Put in the rice. Put the rice inside and press it gently. And add the Spam. Spam inside. Use just a teaspoon to press it down. Lift it up. Ooh, gently lift. Wow, look at that! You have your homemade musubi without the molder. Check that out. And then just gently press it. So you have an even shape of the musubi. Okay, and unwrap it. Ta-da! Get the nori sheet and wrap it around. Oopsie. Here you go, and then just. Ooh, see? You can do that as well without the molder. It also looks beautiful. Right, guys? Trying out the plain one, the basic one. And let's give this a try. Wow. Wow.
Oh my goodness, it's so good. The flavors are bursting in my mouth. The sauce is amazing. It's really good combination of light sauce and the sugar. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!